Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Kuam, and if you're new here, this channel is about fashion, lifestyle, photography and ideas. And today's video is about how to take a creative self-portrait from your house. So taking a self-creative portrait from your house, you need a reflection. Obviously you need maybe like your window side or anything like that. Then once you get your location, then you find anything to make the picture look good. You can take maybe flowers, add it to your picture and to make them look nice. Add maybe leaves if you have that one too in your garden. You can use them too. You can use anything just to be creative. So today I'll show you the pictures and how I took them, and if you like it, you tell me what you feel in the comment section. So let's check them out. Guys, as you can see what I used in the video, I used the leaf, the flowers, and I used a comic book, and I tore it in the middle so it will give the picture a creative look. So I'll show you the pictures now and you tell me how good they look in the comment section, because that's how creative you have to get to take all those type of quality pictures. You just have to be creative, and you guys will tell me if you really enjoy the pictures in the comment section. So let's check it out. So guys, you see how those pictures turns out. They turned out really nice after I edited them, and I really like them. So you tell me in the comment section if you want to see more types of video like this photography video, because I just added it to the list, and I'm trying to create more videos on photography. So you tell me if you really enjoyed this video and if you want to see more about photography, because I'll be creating video on photography, social media and fashion like I used to. So you guys should get entertained, and next week or any time I'm back here, I'm going to be creating a reintroduction to my channel. So stay tuned, you want to see that too. So guys, subscribe, like, share and turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next video. Eddie out.